Hey everybody, hopefully you can hear me over this music. We are at Puckett's Grocery. It's kind of new here in Pigeon Forge. It opened up in a building that was closed down from something right next to the Christmas store. Let's go ahead and get some footage of that real quick. So there's like the Christmas store place. There's the Christmas hotel. There's your Starbucks. Puckett's Grocery, very nice looking place, very fancy. American barbecue, kind of casual like that. It's kind of across from Magic Quest. I do have a video up from where we stayed there, so y'all may want to look for that. So, yep, right next to Incredible Christmas Place. So let's go on in. It's slow. We got here a little after 11. They do a breakfast too. So.
What can I bring for y'all to drink? I've got sweet tea, unsweet tea, Coke products, beer, wine.
Unsweet.
Unsweet?
Yep.
Unsweet. Lemons?
No.
No? Alright, I'll be right back. Thank you. You're welcome.
Alright, so there's the menu. It's hard to read. There we go. This is probably what we're doing today. Chalkboard plate specials. And these barbecue pimento cheese bites. Really good. So they got a chalkboard out front with all their specials on it and stuff. Salisbury steak is one of the meats today, so that sounds really good. First we got sandwiches. Great looking desserts. We may take one of those with us. They do have a liquor menu. It's early, but you know. Now here's an odd little thing. Actually, this menu just says meat and 3. Or mine says chalkboard plate specials. All the same things. So there's your sides. Some of them cost extra, like these over here. You gotta pay a little extra for those. I'm not sure what the deal is. Got the stage back there. This place is pretty empty. They do take reservations after 3 o'clock, so I imagine they probably get pretty busy. Here's the bar. There's my wife. Barbecue, bacon, pepper jelly, pimento cheese. They look exactly like they did on the internet. And look inside there. Bacon, pulled pork, pimento cheese, crunchy ball. We'll let you know how they are later. Soup of the day, brisket mushroom. There's the brisket. There's the mushrooms. Creamy sauce. Interesting. There's we got some baked beans coming, but Salisbury steak with onions, taters and brown gravy, cream corn, kind of Cajun griddle cake. I call them a hoe cake. Like I said, the baked beans are still coming, but it looks very good, so we're going to dig in. Hey, our baked beans arrived. You know, I think that's for mountain area, $3 or $11 for that plate. Very reasonable price. Alright guys, review time. Very good. We're definitely wanting to come back to get their barbecue and stuff. $4 bottle of sauce. We bought one to go. Spicy barbecue. It was good stuff. The pimento cheese bites were fantastic. With the jelly, without the jelly, barbecue sauce, it didn't matter. They were great. Soup was kind of nasty. I wouldn't suggest not brisket mushroom soup. Salisbury steak was good. Not a huge portion, but I mean, like I said, some meat and 3. Still $11 for tourist area. Not bad. The one problem I think both of us had, and this may just be our taste, the taters needed some salt, the corn needed some salt. And we usually, I don't think I've ever picked up the salt shaker at a restaurant. So, maybe a little under seasoned. Good value, you know. Definitely recommend, and we'll definitely come back. So, baby, you agree with all that, pretty much?
Yes.
Yeah, I mean, good food. Puckett's Grocery, right across from the in at Christmas Place. So, all right, y'all. Take care. God bless y'all.